Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset KitchenAid Dishwasher touchscreen, troubleshooting and control reset guide. Control panel reset sequence. Pressing these keys sequentially triggers the internal diagnostic mode which resets the control board. First select keys. Choose any three consecutive buttons on your control panel. For example, heat, dry, normal, high temperature. Now press patterns. Press these buttons in sequence 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 within 5 seconds. Next, check lights. All LED lights on the panel will illuminate indicating the diagnostic reset has begun. Run cycle. Press the start/resume button to allow the dishwasher to run a short test cycle and clear error codes. Hard power reset. First, locate power. Turn off the circuit breaker dedicated to the dishwasher in your home's main breaker box. Next, wait. Leave the power off for exactly 1 full minute. Then restore power. Flip the circuit breaker back on. This forces the control board to reboot entirely. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.